two students. I think they are confident enough to present conversation. That is a very short conversation, and I invite them. They will introduce themselves and then they will start their conversation.
Good morning. I am O of class 5th C and I am Muskan from class 5A, and we are going to present a conversation before you where we are playing different roles. I am playing the role of a principal and my friend is playing the role of a parent. So let us start. Hello sir, good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? Sir, I want to get my child admitted in your school. Okay. Did you submit the registration form? Yes sir. What about the admission test? There is no admission test up to class 8. Then what is the criteria for admission? In KVS, admission is given on the basis of occupation of the parent. Sir, kindly tell me about the parent categories. There are 5 categories on the basis of occupation of the parent. Central government employee belongs to category first. You will visit KVS website for detailed information.